Today we're making homemade bread. Follow the country boy to the kitchen. Let's go. To start with, we need to take a mixing bowl, 1 cup of warm water. Put it in your bowl. 1 pack of Fleshman's Rapid Rise instant yeast. Put that in there. Let it sit 5-6 minutes till it starts working. You'll know when it starts working, it'll start bubbling. Yeast, warm water, and sugar is already started foaming up. I did add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar in this to get it started. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour to this. And it may take a little bit more. It calls for 2.5 cups. We're going to add 2.5 cups right now. May have to add some more when we mix it. All right, we're going with 1 more tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This bread is going to be really good. It's going to be a lot better than store-bought bread. And if you guys like this content, do me a favor, like it, give me a thumbs up, comment on it, and let's talk about it. And by all means, hit that subscribe button. I certainly do appreciate it. It helps grow my channel. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take all this mixture and we're going to fold it. It's going to start to get thick on you. And that's what you want. This homemade bread is really going to be good. It really makes probably some of the best breakfast toast that you can get. So it's starting to incorporate good together, starting to be like one big lump. That's what you want. We're going to work this about another minute or so, and then we're going to put it on our large cutting board with a little bit of flour, and we're going to have to knead it. Alright guys, we're back. We got our loaf on some flour. Put some flour down there so you can knead it. This is going to have to be kneaded for about 5 to 6 minutes. You need to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. So all you do is just back and forth and knead it. Fold it, press, fold it, press, fold it, press. All right, we're going to continue to do this for about 5 minutes. And once we get done, we'll be right back with you. All right guys, we're back. Got our bread loaf here. We've already kneaded it for about a little over 5 or 6 minutes. Starting to get real fluffy. That's what you want. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take some Crisco shortening. And you're going to dab a little bit on a paper towel, folded paper towel. And you're going to take your loaf pan and you're just going to grease the inside of your loaf pan, sides and bottom. Make sure you get that lightly greased. It don't need to be caked on. Just make sure you get them corners. That way it won't stick in your pan when you get it done. now what we want to do, guys, is we want to take our loaf, get your rolling pin, put your little flour on your rolling pin, little flour here, and we want to roll that out. You want it about the width of your pan. It don't have to be perfect by no means. It wants to be about a 1/4 inch thick. So once you get that done, you're going to take it and you're just going to start rolling it. Just roll your, and when you get it to the end, just crimp it. Crimp it together like a pie crust. And tuck in the edges, just like that. And you're going to take your greased pan and you're going to set your loaf inside. What we're going to do now is we're just going to cover it up with you can use a dish towel or a paper towel. Just cover it up and just let it sit for 1 hour. It'll completely rise, and it's going to need to get around twice the size that it is right there. So it'll completely almost cover this pan. Some loaves I fix get swole up pretty good, some of them not so much. But we're going to let it rise and do its thing, let that yeast do its thing for about an hour, and we're going to check back with you. Alright guys, it's been approximately 1 hour since we put our bread loaf in the pan and to let it rise, and let's see what it looks like. Alright, it's a little more than double the size. That's going to be about as high as it's going to get for about an hour. So what we're doing now, we got our oven preheating to 350. And we need to place this in the center rack of our oven and bake it approximately 30 minutes on 350. And as soon as we get done with that, we'll be right back with you and show you what she looks like. Stand by. All right, guys, we got our loaf of bread out the oven. It baked on 350 for 30 minutes and it looks great. What we're going to do now, just took it out of the oven. We're going to coat the top with some butter. So this thing's really hot. We're just going to rub the top with some butter. It keeps that top crust from cracking. Down pretty good. It's just regular salted butter is what I'm using. It'll glaze the top. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take our bread knife. We're just going to go along the sides, make sure it didn't stick. And it didn't. That's good. We're going to leave this and let it cool for a minute or two, and then we'll flip it upside down and we'll take the loaf out of the pan and let it cool until we can cut it. Be right back with you. Alright guys, we're going to slice into this thing right now to see what she looks like and tastes like. You can get the end piece cut off. You can tell she's still smoking. It looks really, really nice. Looks like what bread's supposed to look like. Turns out really nice on the inside. Tastes delicious. And I'm sure you're gonna like it when you make one. It's really, like I said, it's really, really good for you too as well. Guys, if y'all like this content on homemade bread and how to make it, along with my other recipes, do me a favor. Like and comment and hit that subscribe button. Until the next recipe, we'll see you in the kitchen on the Country Boy Cooks. God bless you.